Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Analytics 4 events for UI interactions step by step clearly. To configure Google Analytics 4 events for UI interactions, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Select the property where you want to add events. On the left sidebar, click on Configure. Then, select Events to see existing events. Next, click on the Create Event button. In the Custom Event Name field, enter a descriptive name for your new event. In the Matching Conditions section, choose the parameters that will trigger this event. For example, you can set conditions for clicks, page views, or form submissions. Add the parameters you want to track, such as button IDs or classes. Once you've configured the conditions, click on Create to save your new event. Next, navigate to your website where the UI interaction occurs. Open the Google Tag Manager in a new tab. Create a new tag by clicking on Tags and then on New. Choose the tag type as GA4 Event. In the Configuration tag drop-down, select your GA4 configuration tag. Enter the event name you created in Google Analytics. Add the event parameters to match what you set in Google Analytics. Now, set up the trigger for this tag. Click on Triggering and choose an appropriate trigger type. For UI interactions, click All Elements or Form Submission are commonly used triggers. Configure the trigger settings to specify when the event should fire. Once done, save the tag. Preview your changes in Google Tag Manager to ensure everything works correctly. Next, test the UI interaction on your website to confirm the event is triggered. Return to your Google Analytics account and check the real-time reports. Verify that your new event appears in the real-time data. If everything is set up correctly, your event tracking for UI interactions is now live. Finally, ensure that you monitor your events regularly to assess user engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.